Good morning, students. Today I'm going to solve additional mathematics paper 1 4037 version 12 May June 2017. This is the second video of this series, and in my last video I have done up to question number 5. Let's do from question number 6 today. This is proving trigonometric identities. Show that cosec theta over cot theta plus tan theta equal to cos theta. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with left hand side. There are so many stuffs in there, so I'm not gonna start from right hand side. I'm gonna start from left hand side. Cosec theta, it can be written as 1 by sine theta. So let me use that, 1 by sine theta. Okay, and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta, plus tan theta can be written as sine theta by cos theta. All right, now what are you gonna do? I'm gonna do some simplification. So on the top, 1 by sine theta, and if I do the LCM, I have sine theta cos theta, and this say that when I divide this thing by cos theta, cos cross out, so sine, well, I'm doing this one first, sine cross out, so cos and cos, that's going to be cos squared theta, and over here is going to be sine squared theta. I hope you know that trigonometric identities, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. So that's going to be 1 by sine theta. If I multiply that, it's going to go up there, sine theta cos theta, and that becomes 1. Okay, since sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equal to 1. Okay, now what can I do? I can cancel these two out, and I'm gonna have cos theta, and that's my right hand side. Okay, and we're gonna say show, so put it in the bracket showed. If it says proved, then we're gonna write down proved. It is given that integration 0 from a cosec 2 theta cot 2 theta plus tan 2 theta d theta equal to root 3 by 4, where a is in this given range. Using the answer of part 1, find the values of a. All right, now part 1, I had this, see that cosec, now 2 theta, let's take 2 theta to be x. Okay, so this whole thing is going to be cosec x over cot x plus tan x. So that's going to be cos x, right? So what I'm going to do, instead of that, a 0 to a cosec 2 theta, so that's going to be, if we take it like that, it's going to be cosec x by cot x plus tan x. Now this is gonna be x dx. Okay, see that dx, so I'm gonna put x equal to root 3 by 4. Now this thing can be written as cos x. Okay, so cos x, I'm gonna go for theta now. I hope you understand. I just did that to show you, okay, that 2 theta, even though it's 2 theta, I can use that formula. Okay, so it's cos theta. Okay, if it's cos theta, instead of this, I can write down that and then integrate this d theta. We're gonna go back to that theta, root 3 by 4. Now cos theta is what? Whenever we integrate, it's gonna be sorry, it's 2 theta, right? 2 theta. So that's gonna be 2 theta. So this is gonna be sine 2 theta. Okay, and the range is given 0 to a equal to root 3 by 4. So that's going to be sine 2a, and then minus sine 0 equal to root 3 by 4. Now sine 0 is 0. Remember the sine graph? It's like that, sine 0 equal to 0. And this is sine 2a. That means 2a equal to root 3 by oh, okay, see that this, whenever I integrate that, I have to put this one, whatever is over here, that should be right here. Okay, so that's gonna be over here, or you can put half. So this and this cross out, is gonna be root 3 by 2, and you know that value, root 3 by 2 should be pi by 3. That's 60 degree. Okay, that root 3 by 2, that's sine 60, and sine 60, the 60 degree equal to pi by 3. Okay, 180 divided by 3 is 60. Okay, so that's that. And then there is another value, positive value. Since this is positive, it's gonna be, this is gonna be pi by 3, and another one is gonna be pi minus pi by 3, and that's gonna be 3. This is gonna be 1 pi, so it's gonna be pi by pi minus pi by 3, so 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. So a is gonna be pi by 6, and 2 gonna cross out, pi by 3. Okay, now look at this pi by 4. So pi by 4, that's gonna be about 0.785. Now pi by 3, that's my 1.04. so this pi by 3, I can see that it's outrange, so I don't need that. This is outrange. What about this one, pi by 6? That's gonna be 0.523, so it's the value we wanted. Okay, so a is supposed to be pi by 6, and that's our answer. Okay, question number 7. It is given that y equal to a 10 to the power bx, where a and b are constants. The straight line graph obtained, so this is linear law, obtained when common logarithm y is plotted against x, passes through the points this and this. Find the value of a and of b. So I have to put this one in this format. So y equal to a 10 to the power bx, taking common logarithm on both sides, y equal to that a 10 bx, this whole thing. If I take this one, the a plus common logarithm 10 to the power bx, so that's gonna be this, and bx gonna come forward, and common logarithm 10, that means base 10, log 10 base 10. Let me write down that for the first time. Okay, the a, so that y equal to bx, that's 1 a. Okay, so this one is done. Now this is done, means it's in that format. Okay, I just did that, but I need to find the value of a and of b. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, b is the, let me use a different color. B is the gradient over here, so gradient b equal to m, which is difference in y-axis. I hope you know that gradient equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, now so this is going to be 3.7 minus 2.2 over 1.0 minus 0.5. So that's going to be, sorry, 3.7 minus 2.2, that's going to be 3 by 2 or 1.5, and over here 0.5 divided by 0.5, so that's going to be 3. So value of b is 3. What about a? Okay, now y equal to mx plus c. Now y is, take any value. Let me take this one, 2.2. M we got, that's 3, and x is going to be 0.5 plus c. Now c is nothing but LGA. So LGA is going to be, see that 2.2 minus 3 times 0.5. 3 times 0.5, that's going to be 3 by 2 or 1.5. And 2.2 minus that, that's going to give me 0.7. Therefore a equal to, the base is 10, 10 to the power 0.7. You can keep it as it is. Okay, or if you want, then it's going to be 5.011, or you can say 5. Okay, that's value of b, that's value of b, and this is value of a. Right, so I use the thicker ink to be more visualized. If you when you are using a different pen with a thinner lining, you're gonna have enough space over here. Okay, sorry for all this space, okay, that I have taken for this one. Using your value of a and b, find the value of y when x equal to 0.6. Now let me put this one. The y equal to b is my 3, then x, and plus LG5. This is 5. Okay. Using that, and when x equal to 0.6, I have to find out y. So LGY equal to 3 times 0.6 plus LG5. Then y equal to 10 to the power this whole thing. Okay. This whole thing 3 times 0.6 plus LG5, that's gonna be 2.49 something, so you can write down 2.5. Okay, or you can write down 2.5, that's about 316 or 316. Okay, it's your wish. Find the value of x when y equal to 600. So let's go for that again. LG 600, 3. Now we're going to find out the value of x plus LG 5. Now when this comes over here, LG 600 minus LG 5 equal to 3x. So 3 gonna be over here. So I can use the calculator. Log 600 minus, that's gonna be, actually this is gonna be, I don't need it because I'm using the calculator. That should be like this. Okay, when it's minus, it's actually divided by log 5. So that's that divided by 3. So I'm gonna get x equal to 0.693. Okay, so that's my answer. Let's go for question number 8. A 5-digit number is to be formed from the 7 digits. So there are 7 digits. 7 digits. Okay, and these 7 digits are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 digits. Each digit can only be used once in any 5-digit number. So we're going to make a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Find the number of different 5-digit numbers that can be formed if there is no restriction. So out of 7, I'm going to take 5. And here, order is important. So 7P5. Okay. Out of 7, I'm going to choose 5 and I'm going to arrange them. So 7, shift that one, and 5. This is going to be 2520. Okay, so that's 1 marks, done. The number is divisible by 5. Okay, when this number is divisible by 5, I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this last digit has to be either 0 or 5. We know the test of divisibility, that if the last digit is either 0 or 5, the whole number is divisible by 5. Now, if I look at here, I don't have 0. I have only 5. So I don't have any choice. I have to put this one over here, and that's 1. And then, see, I already put 5 over here. So when 5 is gone, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, I have to take 4. So 6P4 times that 1. Okay. So this answer should be 6P4. And it should be 360. Okay, so this is done. Okay, the number is greater than 60,000. Go back again. I love to do this because that's more visualized. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So more than 6,000. Look at this. If I put 5 on the first box here, then it's gonna be less than 60,000. Okay, so I have to put either 6, 8, 9. Okay, so my choices are over here, 6, 8, or 9. So there are 3 choices. So just put 3 choices. I have 3 choices, but I'm gonna put only 1 digit here. So out of 3, I'm gonna put only 1. Then when I put 1, then I'm gonna have 6 other digits. Okay, so from 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to take 4. So it's gonna be 3, and 6P4, actually it was here 360. 360 times 3, that's gonna be 1080. Okay, so this one is done. The number is greater than 60,000 and even. Okay, greater than 60,000, I already got that, and even. I want to do it in really nice way. You're going to love that, trust me. Okay, let me put this one again, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 60,000 above. Okay, greater than 60,000. So if the first digit is 6, okay, let's say the first digit is 6. Okay, so I don't have any other choice. That's I have already chosen one of the value, one of the digit. That's that. And the last digit, look, if I choose only 6 or 6 for the first one, then last it has to be even. And we know that even number, any number is even if the end digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Let me write down that 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now 6 already gone. Now look at this. Among this, how many digits I have? 1, 2, 3. So if 2 or 6 or 8 are at the end, this is going to be even. But I already have chosen 6. So there are two choices, either 2 or 8. So I'm going to choose either 2 or 8. So there are two choices, right? So this is going to be 2 right over here. I have two options. I have this is only one options. I had two options, but I'm going to choose only one digit. So here is one digit, here is one digit. So if two digit is gone, okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of 5, I have to take 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5p3. Okay. Now this is one of the option. What if I take 8? If the first one is 8, okay, then for the last digit I have choice 2 or 6. So same thing over here, I have 1 over here, then two options, and this is going to be 5p3. Okay, if the first digit is 8, it's greater than 60,000, and if the last digit is either 2 or 6, it's going to be even. Okay, but let's say I didn't take this 2. Okay, not 6, not 8. Okay, what about if I take 9? If I take 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I take over here 9, then the last digit can be 2, 6, or 8. All three, they are open. So over here is 1. Then I have now three options. Okay, so three options. From three options, I'm choosing 1. So 5p3. Okay. Now you might ask, why didn't I choose 2? Because if I choose 2, it's not going to be greater than 60,000. It's going to be less than 60,000. So there are three options. So either this or this or this. So I'm going to add all of them. Okay, add this and add that. So what this going to give me? 3. That's going to give me 60. So 60 times 2, that's going to be 120. And over here, same thing, 60 times 2 equal to 120. And over here is going to be 60 times 3. That's going to be 180. So 120 plus 120 plus 180 altogether is 420. So there are 420 possible ways so that I can choose 5 digits. And that's going to be more than 60,000 and even. So there are 420. Ranjit has 25 friends, of whom 15 are boys and 10 are girls. Let me write down that. Boys are 15 and girls are 10. And together is 25. So 25 friends. Okay. Ranjit wishes to hold a birthday party but can only invite 7 friends. Oh, poor Ranjit, right? He cannot invite all 25 friends of his. He can only invite 7 of his friends. He is not going to have after the party 25 friends anymore. Find the number of different ways these 7 friends can be selected if there is no restriction. So out of 25, now that's order is not important. Okay, if a particular person is chosen, it doesn't matter he choose him first or at the 7th. Okay, so this is an example of combinations. So out of 25, he's gonna choose 7. So 25 choose 7. That's gonna be 480700. It's a huge number. Okay. And then next one, only 2 of the 7 friends are boys. So there are 15 boys. Out of 15, he's going to choose only 2. Then out of 10, see, remember 7 friends he can invite. So when 2 is taken from the boys, then from the girls, he has to choose 5. So that's going to be 15C2, and this is going to be 105, then 10C5, and that's going to be 252, and that's going to be 252 times 105 is going to be 26,460. So that many ways he can do that. The 25 friends include a boy and his sister who cannot be separated. Now this is a problem, okay? This brother and sister, they cannot be separated. So what that tells you? That tells you either they're gonna be included in the friend list to come on the party, or they're gonna be excluded, okay? So we're gonna consider both of them. Let's say they are included, okay? When they are included, then what happened? Those 2 brother and sister already been chosen, right? And when they're chosen, then out of, see, 2 of them are already chosen, okay? So out of 25, 2 are already pre-selected. Now out of 23, Ranjit needs to choose only 5 more, okay? Because 2 already pre-selected. This is pre-selected. Okay, so that's pre-selected. So that many ways. If they are excluded, okay? So 2 again, they are primarily not been selected, okay? So 2 is not invited. So again, out of 23, now Ranjit, he needs to choose 7 because they are not coming. So 7 friends need to be invited out of 23 because they are not invited, okay? So out of 23, now he has to choose 7, and here they were already chosen. So 23, 5 out of 23. So that's what we are looking at. So 23C5, and that's gonna give me 33,649, and over here I got huge number 45157. So total is 278,806. Okay, that's many ways he can do that. Okay, now let me do the next of the math in my next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and take care and have a good day.